up, what is good, guys, cousins, everybody else? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Asuka, it's your boy Full, and we're back with another Chainsaw Man reaction. We're in season 1, episode 4, right? Yeah, episode 4. I'm just coming from watching episode 3. Like I said, I'm going to probably be 3 episodes ahead or so, right? So if you have left any comments in the previous video, if you will leave any in this video, I probably won't see them till 3 episodes in or so, right? So yeah, but I would definitely read them though. What happened last episode? Denji and Power basically went on a mission in a sense to save Power's cat, Meow, from a bad demon. Basically speaking, bad demon Power kinda ended up betraying Denji, giving him to the bad demon thingy. Bad demon ended up betraying Power and eating the cat, and then eating Power, and then Denji went after the bad demon and started basically whooped its ass. He basically killed that shit. So yeah, it did not stand a chance. I'm betting that Power is still alive, but I'm not sure about Meow. We'll see. Hopefully Meow is alive, but we'll see. Anyways, so let's just get into the next episode. I hope you enjoyed this reaction. If you do, please leave a like, sub the channel, and leave a comment down below telling me what your thoughts were on this episode. And yeah, let's go. Oh. Poor bear, just out there minding its own business, and I'm getting eaten, fam. Yeah, she was living her best life, fam. No clothes, just out there eating animals, drinking blood, you know, chilling with Meow. That's the way to go, fam.
猫を殺されたくなければ人間を連れてこい。
命は平等に軽い。たかが猫じゃん。じゃあなぜ走る？なぜ人間を探す？ニャーコを助けるため？バカみたいな理由じゃ。血は好きじゃん。味も匂いも死を感じるのも。それで最近初めて分かったんじゃ。血は温かくて気持ちがいい。
That's cool. Oh, they're in the stomach.
なぜわしを助けた？ウムを殺そうとしたのに。
Your reasons were kinda understandable, especially to him. He wants to cop a feel, fam. Fuck off.
バカみたいな理由じゃな。猫は助かったからな。胸は揉ませてやるわ。
Oh shit, she's actually good. And I guess she doesn't give a damn. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Yo, that was so unexpected, fam. That was so fucking unexpected. What the actual hell? That was creepy as hell, fam. This thing is weird, bro. How the fuck did they get there and them not notice it though?
指も動かせん。ヤコを連れて逃げてくれ。
Why can't you move? Yeah, you done lost a lot of blood.
戦争が出ねえ。血が足りねえのか。
Yeah.
やっと見つけたのに。あんたでしょ、コウモリちゃん殺したの。私の男だったのに。
Yeah? Yo, Batty was busy laying pipe on this shit, bro. Let's go. Hey.
好みの顔してるから逃がしてあげる。
Alright.
後ろの奴らは
殺す。
Yeah, you should have offered to lay pipe, bro. Maybe she could have let them dead too. Or maybe she's the one laying pipe then. She's got all the equipment. Fam, she's not messing around. Yo, he stopped
戦
that?
えるのか。
Let's go! Yeah.
嘘でしょ、こんな子犬ちゃんにコウモリは殺されちゃったの。コウモリは私と一緒に人間を全て食べる夢を見ていた。
No shit.
無謀だけど崇高で素敵な夢。それを子犬程度にぶち壊された。殺すのはもったいない顔だけど死んでちょうだい。
胸揉む前に死ねっかよ。
くだらない低俗な欲望を持つやつに殺されたものね。
Yo, I mean, his dream is legit,
コウ
fam.
モリ。
バカみたいな理由じゃない。
Finish a bitch off.
俺にやること見下しやがってよ。復讐だの、家族守りたいだの、猫救うだの、ああだのこうだの、みんな偉い夢持ってていいな。じゃあ夢バトルしようぜ、夢バトル。俺がてめえをぶっ殺したらよ、てめえの夢胸もむこといかな。
こうやったって可愛いわ。子犬ほど怖えのかよ。いいわ、私が食べてあげる。
いいぜ、俺に夢バトルで勝ったらね。
Yo, like, kitties are just everywhere, fam. Just everywhere. Yo, he's gonna use Batty's intestines, bro. Yo, this battle. Yo, bro, let's go. Fam, she was out there giving him the 1-2 uppercut, fam. With tentacles, bro. Yo, this fight is insane, fam. I have not seen a fight like this. This is fucking amazing. His eyes are fucked. Rip her open from the inside out, bro. Oh, okay, okay.
コン、
Oh, sh!
こいつは昼の悪魔だね。飲み込んでいい？
よし。
That dude is nasty. Mikey brought out some Naruto shit, fam.
ヒルの悪魔駆除確認新人は生存者の救出保護と避難誘導はい
He lost that battle though. That's just what it is.
お前の腕拾っておいたぞ輸血したらくっついたらしい本当に悪魔みたいなやつだなてめえだって悪魔と仲良く話してただろ俺は見てたぜ本当に何も知らねえんだなデビルハンターは悪魔と契約して悪魔と戦う俺は狐の悪魔と契約している力を借りる代わりに体の一部を狐に食わせる契約だ今回は皮膚を食わしたはあ痛そう
Why, bro?
常に人の死を望むそれは魔人も同じだ
He doesn't really give a fuck about
いいやつ
that.
だぜ
Yeah, power does seem cool.
監視カメラに巡回エリア外に行くお前たちが確認されているさあどうでしたかな
娘がチェンソーの人に直接お会いしたいと。
ありがとう。悪魔に会社で食っちまうぞって言われて逃げたんですけど、よく見れば公安の服を着ていたし、お礼を言いたくて。
Yeah, no shit.
男の命なんて知るかって。悪魔が俺ごと車を投げたんだ。
There's always some dude, fam.
お前が一つだけ条件を飲むなら
Fam, there were no fatalities in that battle? Nah, that's fucking impossible, bro. That's fucking
俺
impossible.
の言うことは素直に聞くことお前はバカでガキで道徳がない俺はお前より先輩だし社会正義も持っているつもりだ俺の言うことを聞いていればお前は今の生活を守れるぜ
Okay. Mikey's coming about.
分かったら返事おお頭に入れといてやら安心してくれあんたらみてえにご立派な目標はねえししょぼい夢しかねえけどよてめえと同じぐらい俺マジでやっからさ
Let me
ど
post
ーんと
this.
期待しといてくれ
Fam, you know what? If we're being honest, his dreams are actually pretty big dreams considering where he's coming from. Fam. You know what I mean? Like, Maiji had literally nothing. Living in the forest, in some shed, eating shit food. You know, it was just a fucked up life. He had basically nothing. Yeah? And now his goal is to live a good life. Just a normal, good life, fam. Just average life. You know, have some good food, a nice place to live, you know, just grab some titties, fam. That is just, fam, that is a big dream considering where he's coming from. You know what I mean? Like, he was like here, right? He was here. Yeah? And his dream is like here. For him, right? Others were already like here. So to them, they're like, you're not serious, right? Because their dreams are now there, right? I mean, to him, his dream is big. That's all I'm trying to say. To him, considering where he's coming from, his dream is pretty big. And I can understand it. It's a legit dream. Anyways.
なあ無罪だったじゃろ分かったらさっさとこれを外せ
She's in chains,
それ
bro.
いいのかなこの魔人ちゃんがいつか人を殺した時は見逃したアキ君の責任だぞ
俺たちはデビルハンターです悪魔でも魔人でも使えるもんは何でも使うべきだでも敵は敵利用するだけです
At least they're honest about
ない
it.
ですよ
At least they're honest about it, man.
またコウモリヒルからは共に銃の肉片は発見されませんでした報告は以上です
Gun flesh? What is that?
ご苦労様
How did Denji's hand like get blown off that time? Like how did it get cut off?
くまで行っちゃっ
Was
た
it the Leech Devil or was it somebody
奴
else?
らは信じがたいほどのバカですから。
巡回エリア内からの逸脱は違反行為だけど、早川くんも少し頭が柔らかくな
Yeah,
っ
he does.
デンジ君と一緒に住んでる影響かな。
まさか何も変わってないですよ。
You've changed, bro. Whether you accept it or not, bro. You've changed. Just a little bit, but you've changed, man.
昼飯何？カレー。
Bro, do you even help out, bro? Do you even help out around the house? Who the fuck is
悪魔か？
the fuck is knocking like that? What the fuck?
おうおうおう、狭い家じゃの。
You must be out your goddamn mind knocking like that on my
早
door.
川くんちの部屋一つパワーちゃんに貸してほしい。
No, fuck that.
君ならデンジ君とパワーちゃんのいい首輪になれるからね。
なんで俺の家にヤバいやつばかり集めるんですか？
私が早川君を一番に信用しているからだよ。
Fuck that, bro. I better be getting some sort of promotion, raise, something, fam.
ずっとこっちに住まわせるのも変だしね。
Why can't you take her? Why can't you stay with her?
心配しなくてもパワーちゃんいい子にできるって
Yeah?
言うから大丈夫だよ。野菜は嫌いじゃ。はい。
人参。
Oh, you must be fucking
野
crazy.
菜作った農家に失礼って思わね
Hey,
えのか
tell
よ。
her. Respect the fucking farmer, fam. You done put in a lot of work.
クソはたまにしか流さんはじゃ。
流せ。くせえんだよ。
うろはたまにしか入らんはじゃ。
入れ。くせえんだよ。
なんちゃうなら人間は繊細じゃのう。なあにゃーこ。
来て暴れ回りやがってよ。クソも流せねえのか悪魔は。野菜も残すし。
おいウル。
あ、おいクソ悪魔。てめえのクソこびりついて取れねえんだよ。
Oh shit! Yeah, let's go. Let's fucking go. Yeah. Let's forget about the whole turds and shit and not flashing it. Yeah. Let's go.
これどうした？嬉しいじゃろ。もめもめ。じゃが条件がある。胸を揉んでいい回数は3もみじゃ。
3, alright?
3もみ。
Okay.
にゃーこを助けたのが1もみ。
Mm-hmm.
コウモリを殺したので2もみ。
Mm-hmm.
そしてちょんまげからわしをかばってくれたので3もみじゃ。
Alright.
胸を
Wait, can I squeeze and hold? Or just squeeze and release?
3もみ。ありがたく揉むんじゃな。
Don't disappoint, bro. Fucking motherfucker! This fucking show, man. They can't do us like that. They can't do us like that, man. Okay, now I'm definitely watching the next episode. Fuck that. I need to see what happens. They better show us. They better fucking show us, man. They have to. They can't just, nah. They have to. They have to, fam. Yo, she's a fucking angel, fam. Oh, she's a whole angel. I mean, she shits everywhere and leaves turds around, but she's an angel. I loved it. I loved it. That was good. Fight scene amazing, obviously. Animation, obviously amazing. The usual, fam. The usual. You know what? These anime are out here spoiling us, fam. They're out here spoiling us. Cause ain't no way I can go back to some subpar level of animation, fam. After watching this type of animes, fam, it's kind of difficult to imagine going back to that. I don't think I can. I really don't think I can, because this shit is good, fam. This shit is fire. But yeah, let's go. There's Mushoku Tensei, fam. Amazing. There was that one scene in Mushoku Tensei where he was like tearing the bread apart, like cutting the bread in half. Just amazing, bro. I'm sorry, I just loved it. But yeah, the scene where they were showing, what's his face? I keep forgetting the name. The guy who is staying with Denji, right? Where he was just going through his morning routine and whatnot. Like the animation, the amount of effort they put into that scene or those scenes, that was just, I respect it, fam. I really just do. I really just respect that. Because they put in a lot of effort for them. Like, they did not sleep on it at all, you know? Because those are the type of things that you could just skip over. Just skim over, you know, and save the budget for some other stuff like the fight scenes and whatnot. But nah, fam, they went ham on that, and I respect it. I truly do. Meiji is actually changing a little bit, you know? He's actually changing a little bit. Whether he accepts it or denies it, I think Denji is having an effect on him, you know? And I guess that will be the theme, you know? Denji out there just having this type of effect on everybody around him, basically speaking. And I'm guessing he's going to have a similar effect on Power, you know? But now they're staying together. Power is out here just shitting in the toilet, living it unflushed. Man, she wasted so much toilet paper, fam. That's the thing that I would be most pissed off about. Not the fact that she didn't flush, the fact that she wasted so much tissue, fam. Like, do you see the amount of tissue though? Bro, nah, fam. I no. That's so triggering. That's so triggering to me, fam. Like, goddamn, why you have to be so wasteful? And then she out here throwing food away. Like, if you're not paying for this food, if you're not buying, if you're not contributing, fam, you better not waste that food, fam. You better not waste it. But anyways, all that aside, fam, she's a fucking angel, fam. A whole angel, fam. Yo, that final scene was just yes. And then this fucking show just had to leave us like that. This show is a tease, fam. That's what this show is. It's a whole fucking tease, fam. They better come through next episode, fam. Look at that, I done forgot the whole plot point of this episode because of that last scene. But yeah, that was very interesting. So apparently this dude has a pact with a fox demon. Interesting. He basically feeds it some blood, and I think he also said sometimes he wants some skin as well or something. But if he wants some skin, where the fuck does he get the skin from? Like, he uses his own skin, right? So where does he get the skin? Or do they have some way of healing it or something? Unless I completely misread that part, maybe. Yeah, but yeah, very interesting. And from what I got from that conversation, apparently, it seems as if most of the devil hunters have, or not most of them, but some of the devil hunters, if not all of them, have a pact with a devil. With a devil, right? So I'm I can't wait to see what type of devils these other guys have contracts with, because I think that would be very interesting. I think that would be very, very interesting. and it seems like there's some geopolitical stuff. There's some geopolitical stuff happening in the background. They talked about America and I think it was Russia, if I'm not mistaken, right? And I think America is using the Fiends in their military and stuff like that, if I'm not mistaken. Very interesting. I don't know if they'll even touch on the geopolitics of the world further or not, but I think they will, because I mean, what was the point of that scene then? Just to show us that, you know, the higher ups think of these guys as just tools to use? I don't think so. So that would be very interesting if it ends up being like an international thing, like where we get to go to other countries and see what type of thing they're doing. That would be pretty cool, but I don't think that would happen. But it would be a cool concept, in my opinion, you know. But yeah, I think that's all I have for you guys. I love this. So I'm going into the next episode, I think, right now, fam. It's what, 4:19 in the morning. Yeah, I think I can do one more. Anyways, fam, I hope you enjoyed this reaction. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below telling me what your thoughts were on this episode. And yeah, later.